All great dreams start with a crazy idea. And I just had a crazy idea. I'm Musk. I want to build rockets. I failed again and again. But I also started again and again. Countless calculations. Countless simulations of data. Countless discussions. Countless lonely late nights. On a brand new day, I launched another rocket. I'm sure I'll succeed this time.
Oh my god, we did it!
Hey friend, that's my story. Dare to think and do it, and then stick to it, and you can do it.
Did you just fall for this video? What if I told you this entire cinematic scene was generated from just one prompt? No camera, no crew, no actors, just pure AI magic. That's right, a single prompt. And today I'll show you exactly how you can do the same using one of the most powerful AI video generators available, MagicLight AI. Get ready to learn how to create high-quality faceless videos for YouTube, storytelling, or business, all without manual editing. Welcome! In this video, we're exploring a revolutionary AI tool called MagicLight AI, an end-to-end platform that allows you to generate stunning, animated, or realistic videos using just a text prompt. It takes care of everything: scripting, character creation, storyboarding, animation, voiceovers, music, and final rendering. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or storyteller, this tool will redefine how you create video content. How to use MagicLight AI. Step 1. Go to magiclight.ai and sign up. Click on Start for free and create your account. Step 2. On the dashboard, you'll see two main options. Create AI video, to generate a full video from a prompt or script, and Create AI character, to train and personalize characters. Start with Create AI video, prompt and script options. You'll be offered two content creation paths. 1. Smart script. MagicLight will generate everything for you. 2. Use My Content. Allows you to paste your own script or ideas. Thanks to its integration with DeepSeek R1, MagicLight can break down your input into structured storyboards, characters, and scenes with emotions. Simply enter an idea like a futuristic city where a young detective uncovers alien codes hidden in ancient books. Choose your video length from 1 minute up to 30 minutes. Video style and language next, select your settings, and choose portrait or landscape mode. Pick your language: English, Spanish, Chinese, and others. Select a video style such as 3D, 2D, realistic, anime, or epic ultra-realistic. Once your preferences are set, continue to the next step and let the AI process your input. Character creation and training. MagicLight automatically generates characters based on the script, but you can also create your own. To create a custom character, go to My Characters Day, click Create Day, enter a name, gender, category, and age. Upload a face reference and describe the outfit. Click Generate. Within seconds, your character will be ready. You can regenerate or modify as needed. Storyboard and scene customization. MagicLight will then generate your storyboard, usually containing 50 or more scenes, depending on your video's length. You can customize each scene by clicking Edit Scene, adding or switching characters, rewriting scene prompts, and regenerating images. This allows complete creative control without the need for editing software. Animation process. Next, animate your static scenes. Choose from multiple animation engines: Lip Sync, Animate Pro, Runway, Hiwo AI. Each offers a different animation style. For example, Animate Pro is great for dialogue-heavy scenes, while Hiwo AI offers a more artistic touch. Click Animate to bring your scene to life. Repeat the process for each scene. Voiceovers, music, and final touches. And now finalize your video. Select a voiceover from a variety of AI voices with different tones and accents. Add background music from a curated library of cinematic and ambient tracks. Enable subtitles with a single click. Set your cover thumbnail, review the final settings, and click Generate. Your complete AI-generated video will be ready in minutes.
The futuristic cityscape pulses with vibrant energy, rain streaking across towering skyscrapers and neon signs. Amidst the chaos, Detective KAI strides purposefully, his trench coat pulled tight against the rain. Kai steps into the antiquarian bookstore, leaving the bustling city behind. He approaches the bookstore owner, a figure of wisdom amidst towering shelves. Him looking for a specific rare book. In his cluttered apartment, Kai sits hunched over a desk, wrestling with an ancient book and its cryptic alien code. Frustration mounts as Kai struggles to unlock the secrets hidden within the complex symbols. There has to be a key somewhere. In the high-tech lab, Kai stands before a holographic projector, surrounded by scientists. The projector showcases decoded alien symbols, bathed in an eerie glow. Scientists exchange excited glances, the air thick with the promise of discovery. The lead scientist declares, "This isn't just language, it's a blueprint."
MagicLight AI offers a free plan which allows limited rendering for testing. Paid plans include basic plans suitable for small creators, starting around $20 per month. Pro plan includes more rendering time and advanced features, starting around $40 per month. Enterprise plan, designed for agencies and teams, offering full customization and priority support. Visit the official site for the latest pricing and plan details. MagicLight AI is an all-in-one solution that transforms a simple idea into a fully animated, voice-driven video without requiring editing experience. It's ideal for content creators, educators, marketers, and storytellers looking to produce high-quality content efficiently. You can try MagicLight AI for free using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and reviews on the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching.